In this lesson, you will learn how to enable Tosca DI and parallel execution. By default, Tosca DI is disabled. This is because a Tosca DI license is required to use these features. Tosca DI has a parallel execution feature to reduce execution runtimes. This is set to 0 by default, as parallel execution requires an additional Tosca DI execution-only license. Parallel execution will also be covered in a later lesson. Before we can see any Tosca data integrity features in Tosca Commander, we need to enable Tosca DI. There are two ways to do this. You can enable Tosca DI for immediate use during the installation wizard by checking the box Enable Tosca Data Integrity functionality after installation. Or, after Tosca has been installed, we navigate to Tosca Options and enable Tosca DI for use. Here we can see all the available Tosca DI default options that relate to the DI wizard and other features. For this training, we will focus on the parallel execution option, which allows you to run tests in parallel on a single machine. Parallel execution requires an additional execution-only license per instance. I will set mine to 5, as I have 5 execution-only licenses available. Once Tosca DI has been enabled, we need to restart Tosca to see the DI features in the context menu. And once we create a data integrity folder and select this folder, we can now see the Tosca Data Integrity tab in the ribbon above.